This is a video of a 1969 Dodge Charger. There is the grille. These have the hideaway headlights that flip up. So the components are, you have your main framework here, and then your grille will attach over the front of this. Alright, so in the framework you have what they call headlight buckets, and these buckets are held in place with your adjustment knobs so you can set your angle. And then you have your springs for your tension, and then those will be your low beam, your high beam, and your low beam. On the back of a glass replacement bulb here, you have the alignment dots here, here, and here, and those fit in the corresponding pockets here, here, and here. So when this light is installed with the logo facing the right way, it snaps right in there. So see that pocket there? There's one of three. Okay, what holds the light in place is this trim ring, and that goes on like such, and there'll be little screws that go right in there. So all you got to do is loosen the screw, turn this ring, and the ring comes off. Then you can change out your light bulb. Okay, the replacement ones that we have here, these LED guys, they only have one tiny little alignment dot. There's no other alignment tab on this at all. Per instructions, peel this protective coating off here. You have your DOT right there. That goes at the top. Okay, so when this is installed and that alignment dot is right there, it does not line up with any corresponding pocket. I'm going to move this out of the way. It sits right above it, see? So the only way for this to actually hit a corresponding pocket would have the light clocked. I'm going to turn it around so you can watch it fall in. Right there. Okay. It falls in that pocket, which makes your light clocked like this. There's your DOT logo. This is the top of the light. Now we're clocked at that angle. The only other way for it to fall into another pocket is the next one, which is right there. See how it fell into that pocket right there? So then that puts your light clock like that. There's the top of the light. The light needs to be like so in that bucket, but there is no pocket for that tab to fall into at all. There's one close to it, but that's not even the right size pocket, because that fits the glass style, right? And even if it did fit in there, your light would be crooked. Light needs to be exactly like that for your low beam, your high beam, and your low beam. And these are directional. These buckets are. Each one of these has a part number on it. So this means right, low. The next one here has a part number, right, high. And what that does is when these are installed, it's going to set the correct clock angle and dish angle based on the front of the car. So that way this beam's not shooting over here, this beam's not shooting over here. They're going to be straight with the way they need to go. And then you have the same buckets over here, which are left high and left low. And again, each one of those has those pockets in a set position for the factory glass bulbs that go in here. Each one of these glass replacement ones that come in the set of 4, each one only has one alignment dot. Here, we'll turn all of them the exact same way. So all these are facing up. This is the top of each light. Each alignment dot is over here on the left side. Okay? Right there's that one. I'll move that plastic. There's the other one. So regardless if this set is in the left side or the right side, they won't fit in any of those buckets for a 1969 Dodge Charger, which is the same from 68, 69, and 70. All use that same style of headlight assembly for a first gen Dodge Charger.